Good day and welcome back, Multimedia Practitioners, students, and creatives. You are watching Guided Visions. I'm your host, Shaina May Lamosta. Join me as we explore the Philippines' creative industry laws to help you be informed of what they are, why they are created, and how it can help you as a multimedia creative. Because in this fast-developing, resource-demanding, and very competitive industry, legal knowledge is an advantage. In the last episode, we featured Republic Act 8293, or the Intellectual Property Code of the Philippines, where we discussed everything about intellectual property, including the IPO and the law on copyright. Today, we will feature another key law that we should be aware of, Republic Act 11904, the Philippine Creative Industries Development Act. RA 11904, or the Philippine Creative Industries Development Act, was drafted by the 18th Philippine Congress and lapsed into law in 2022 during the presidency of Rodrigo Duterte. The law's main goal, as declared in Section 2, is to promote and support the development of Philippine creative industries by protecting and strengthening the rights and capacities of creative firms, artists, creators, workers, indigenous cultural communities, content providers, and other stakeholders. Before we move on to the process and how the government wants to achieve this, let's talk first about the law's subject, the Philippine creative industries. Section 3 defines the creative industry as people or legal entities that produce artistic, cultural, and innovative goods and services born of human creativity, skills, and talent. The industry encompasses everyone that are involved in creation, production, performance, broadcasting, exhibition, and distribution of creative works. The industry is further divided into different domains, each representing the respective creative product. These domains include audiovisual media, digital interactive media, creative services, design, publishing and print, performing arts, visual arts, traditional cultural expressions, and cultural sites. As you can see, we are not just a single industry. We are composed of different groups of people practicing different forms of expression of our creativity. But just as any industry in the country, we still need the support of the state not only in regulatory matters such as what we discussed last episode with RA 8293, but also in development matters. This is where the Philippine Creative Industries Development Council steps in. The Philippine Creative Industries Development Council, or PCIDC, was created by this law in order to facilitate and spearhead the development and promotion of creative industries in the Philippines. The council is composed of the heads of the following government agencies, namely DTI, DepEd, DOST, NEDA, DOT, DICT, DILG, CHED, NCCA, IPO, and 9 private sector representatives of each creative industry domain. It also coordinates with other national government agencies involved in creative industries such as the FDCP, CCP, Design Center of the Philippines, National Museum, and more. The PCIDC is mandated to create what we call the Philippine Creative Industries Development Plan, which sets strategies, targets, and activities on the development and promotion of our creative industry. The key components of this plan include the creative industry key performance indicators like GDP contribution and job creation, research findings and data, current and emerging trends that impact creative labor, areas of investment and financial assistance, creative industry development programs, and digital acceleration. Now, you may be saying, Wow, what a great plan! But who will implement it? The answer? Everyone involved, including us, creatives. All concerned agencies of the government, the private sector, and industry practitioners are to implement the plan. And we, multimedia artists, as part of the creative industry, our role is to spread awareness that the creative industry is an integral part of Philippine society, speak out on different issues that affects our industry, and actively contribute to the industry and the country's economy through the practice of our craft. We are all participants and active players, and we all share a common goal: to promote, develop, and elevate our country's creative industry. If you want to learn and discover more about Republic Act 11904, scan this QR code for a full copy you can read anytime, anywhere. I hope you all learned a lot about the Philippine Creative Industries Development Act and our creative industry as a whole today. Once again, I'm Shaina May Lamoste and you are watching Guided Visions. I'll see you in the next episode.